Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now today we are gonna go back to Pune. So
Yes.
today we're gonna take a new route. We are gonna go via Udupi, Goa, probably Goa,
No,
नहीं
Gokarna.
गोकर्णा. So we're gonna touch base those areas. तो देखते हैं जर्नी कैसा रहेगा. आज बहुत बारिश हुआ था.
Yes, so
yeah.
this is the last vlog of our trip to Kerala. I hope you guys have seen all the videos and enjoyed. We are very grateful for your support. Keep supporting like this. And yes, we are leaving from here. It's 7:30 in the morning. We were supposed to go early, but we couldn't because it was raining very heavily.
Yeah.
So we thought we'll wait and go. So the dogs are in the car as usual. They are all set and excited to go back to their house. Yeah. तो बोली भी. So yes, see you on the road. We are stuck in this traffic over here. Super traffic. So we just drove for an hour and I don't know what happened here. आदर्श गया हुआ है आगे देखने के लिए कि क्या हुआ है. लोग पैनिक कर रहे हैं, भाग रहे हैं. शायद किसी ट्रक का कुछ एक्सीडेंट हुआ है. हमने 2 बार यू टर्न लिया बिकॉज वंस वी टुक अ यू टर्न समबडी टोल्ड हाँ क्लियर हो रहा है. वी अगेन टुक अ यू टर्न, केम बैक एंड अभी वी आर स्टक हियर. लेट्स सी ये कितना टाइम लेता है. इट्स ऑलरेडी हाफ एन आवर हम लोग यहाँ पे हैं यार. ऐसा कुछ होता है लॉन्ग ट्रिप में तो एकदम दिमाग ख़राब हो जाता है बिकॉज वो एक मोमेंटम में तुम चलाते हो गाड़ी एंड देन व्हेन you know you get stuck like this you really get frustrated. So let's see क्या होता है, कितना टाइम लगता है. Finally it's moving. Finally आदर्श का फ़ोन आया, बोला कि थोड़ा मूव हो रहा है, आजा जल्दी से आगे. So finally after like 45 minutes we wasted here like literally यार. अब जा रहा है. Finally Adarsh is here.
बाबा चल जल्दी चल.
क्या हुआ है?
अरे उधर वो स्टक हो गया है. ट्रक्स कुछ भी जा नहीं रहा है.
Oops.
अपने जाएगा निकल. बड़ा ट्रक जा रहा है, जाएगा इधर से. टेंशन नहीं, निकल. हाँ ले इधर तो ठीक है. लेफ्ट पे ले थोड़ा और. लेफ्ट पे ले थोड़ा. हाँ जगह निकाल दे. गाइस 1-1.5 घंटा तो हम लोग ट्रैफिक में अटके थे शायद. 45 मिनट्स. आई थिंक 45 मिनट्स 1 आवर के आसपास, राइट? ओह माय गॉड, वो एक ट्रक अटक गया था. द ट्रक गाई डिडंट फिल डीजल. वो खत्म अंडरपास के नीचे हुआ था एग्जैक्टली. चारों साइड से गाड़ी आ रहा है यहाँ पे. अभी जैसे आपको बड़ा बॉल दिख रहा है, ये एक छोटा सा लेन है यहाँ पे अभी, बिकॉज अभी पूरा नेशनल हाईवे का काम चल रहा है कोस्टल रोड का. सो इट वॉज कम्प्लीटली स्टक. तो मैं उतरा एंड आई वेंट डाउन. आई आस्क्ड द लोकल्स, उनको थोड़ा हेल्प किया गाड़ी मूव करने के लिए बिकॉज बुलडोजर आया. देन दे मेड सम रोड, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ब्लॉक बैरिकेड्स लगाए थे, वो सब हटाए उन लोगों ने. फाइनली वी वर लेट गो. बट यार सीरियसली गंदा अटक जाते हैं नहीं तो. बट नाउ जस्ट होपिंग यार ट्रैफिक ना मिले बिकॉज दिस
पता नहीं हमारा ट्रैफिक का क्या रिश्ता है. जब भी घर से निकलते हैं ना ट्रैफिक ही मिलता है.
या कभी ना, हमारे साथ हमेशा होता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. आज तो जल्दी निकले अर्ली मॉर्निंग, फिर भी ये हुआ है. बट लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. या सो फार सो गुड. सो वी आर इन कांजंगाड नाउ. अभी जिप्सी और रॉकी के लिए ब्रेक है क्योंकि यहाँ पे थोड़ा जगह मिला हमको. और एक्चुअली मेरा ब्रदर इन लॉ आया है हमारे लिए कुछ सामान लेके, तो वो भी मिला यहाँ पे. ही स्टेज नियर बाय इन कासरगोड. तो इनको यहाँ पे उतर दिया, दुकान की बाजू में जगह दिया, तो दे कैन ऑल्सो गेट रेस्ट एंड प्रॉब्ली डू सम पॉटी एंड सुसु, so that they are all sorted. So yeah, it's a small break.
Yeah, so when you travel with dogs or any pet, I think you should think about their comfort also. उनको गाड़ी में बिठा के 12 घंटा नहीं चलाना चाहिए. So we make it a point that every 2 hours we get them out, they walk a bit for like 5-10 minutes and then they are back. So usually फिर वो लोग सो जाते हैं तो क्या टेंशन ही नहीं होता. Yes.
So this is my brother-in-law who has come to help us out with all the food and stuff. Now we are having some snacks. Staff food special. Yeah. Bonda. And it's tasty. Really good.
Is it sweet? No, it's a vada pav.
No. Masala but. So now we are leaving from Kanjangad and we'll resume our journey. Thank you, Aliya. Thank you so much for the help. Now everybody is set to leave from here. See you on the road.
We finally crossed Kasargod, right? And we finally got good roads to travel. So I think this part, even last time when I traveled back in November, this part was nice, but now they have put all the boards with, you know, how many kilometers to what place and all of that they have written. Last time when I came, that was not there. So now this part is fully functional, so you can actually drive in a better way here. But I think that side from what was the place? Kanjangad and towards more inside towards Kerala, the work is still going on and it would take years, I guess, to finish off. So yes, we are planning. We have put Gokarna on the map right now, and it shows 271 kilometers, and it will take 5 hours to reach Gokarna. Then from Gokarna to Pune. So we are doing one shot trip.
Yeah, we'll do it in one stretch.
Yeah, we'll do. We are gonna go to Pune in one stretch, the same way we came here. बीच में हम लोग स्टे नहीं कर रहे, सो हम डायरेक्टली पुणे पहुंचेंगे, घर जाएंगे. We finally crossed Kerala. We are at the Udupi toll Naka right now, so finally crossing one state.
Yeah. I just hope the FASTag works.
So we'll put down the brake. We'll put the breakdown of fuel and toll also. So yes, we are continuing the journey without taking any break now. Let's see where we reach by evening today. I saw a truck full of this coconut and I was dying to have this. I finally Aj got me this.
Yeah.
Finally we got it. Hello. I don't know, but I feel the orange coconuts are much more tastier than the green ones. So मैं जब से केरला आई हूँ मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहा था. Finally मुझे मिल गया. Oh fuck. Oh. We are on highway and this is Semite Sea. I'm not sure which sea is this. But I've seen a lot of Instagram reels about this. और मुझे हमेशा यहाँ पे आना था. जगह हवा इतना ज़्यादा है. Oh my God.
As you guys can see, हम पूरा भीग चुके हैं. यहाँ पे is the sea. यहाँ से अचानक से बारिश हो गया. And we just had to run inside. Gypsy Rocky भी भीग गए.
And it is so windy here. It is so windy.
Seriously.
This is crazy. One of my favorite places. Last time जब मैं ये रोड से आई थी तब मैंने सोचा था यार वापस आना है. और मैं I'm back here after 6 months and I just love this place. Sadly अभी ये लोगों ने यहाँ पे पूरा नेट बांध के रखा है. If you see, there is all they've tied this net because बारिश के टाइम पे उन लोग नहीं जाने देंगे सी शोर पे. बट यहीं पे है सी शोर, जा ही नहीं सकते हम लोग. बट क्रेजी है, देखो इतना जोर से हवा है यहाँ पे, इतना जोर से एकदम. Crossed Gokarna actually, and now we'll actually take the Belgaum route and enter Maharashtra from there. So इतना देर पूरा मस्त हाईवे था, अभी ये कोई इंटरनल रोड है. So it still shows us 550 kilometers to reach Pune और 11 घंटा लगने वाले हैं पहुंचने के लिए.
Yeah, 550 kilometers left, right?
Yes. Adarsh has been continuously driving for like what 350 kilometers now.
Yeah.
Yes, 350 kilometers. He's not letting me drive. तो मैं बैठी हूँ, सो रही हूँ बीच बीच में और फिर एंजॉय कर रही हूँ अपना ट्रिप. सो यस, लेट्स सी वेयर वी रीच. सुबह का 4:30 बजे पहुँचने वाले हैं पुणे. इट्स गोना बी सुपर हेक्टिक बट वी आर गोना डू इट.
Yes. 550 more to go.
Yep. We finally crossed Belgaum and we have entered Maharashtra. It's 10 in the night. So पता नहीं किस जंगल से गांव के बीच में से सब गूगल लेकर आए हमें. But finally अभी हम लोग NH48 है. हम finally NH48 पे है. So now we hope we get like ये रोड सही से रहे till we reach Pune. But 350 kilometers जाने के लिए अब भी 7 hours दिखा रहा है and it's raining.
7 hours 20 minutes.
7 hours 20 minutes actually and it's raining crazily.
मतलब बारिश इतना देख के आया है कि क्या बोलूं, like it's been raining
And every time,
constantly, like continuously it was raining.
yeah, continuously it is raining and every time this Google Map वाली auntie she's telling us कि क्या बोल रही है वो, flood alert. Flood alert on your way. Either she's saying that or she's saying heavy your route might be affected with heavy rains. Rains तो है, route is not affected much. पता नहीं what is in store for us ahead. तो अब देखते हैं, अब डायरेक्ट हम पुणे पहुंच के मिलते हैं. We'll reach only in the morning by 5:30, 6 o'clock. Depends on the road conditions. मैप में तो 5:30 दिखा रहा है. So let's see. So I'll see you guys in Pune. We'll see you guys in Pune now. We finally reached Pune at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. 7:30 we had left from Kannur. So what, 22 hours?
22, 21 hours, like something
21,
around
22
that.
hours.
It took around that much time and finally we made it. Yeah, the travel was a little difficult because it was raining everywhere.
Yeah.
The road conditions were really bad. Once we entered Maharashtra, the roads were like, even in Karnataka at places, you know, after Gokarna you take a right and you come towards Pune. That road is like
पूरा जंगल, गाँव.
And the problem
उसके
is
बीच में से
you
आता है.
get like speed breakers and the potholes and all like out of nowhere. So you have to be very careful while driving. You can't maintain that speed. So if you're taking that route like Gokarna Pune route, like be careful. The roads are not that great. So be careful while driving. Other
Yeah,
than
be
that,
careful with your car, otherwise you may break your axle as well.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, probably our car suspension is gone or probably
Mostly.
because we have hit like a lot of potholes. But yeah, let's see how it goes now. When we give it for servicing, we'll understand what has happened there. But yeah, other than that, the travel was good. बहुत मजा आया. I would say कि night driving was okayish, but day driving was better. Because visibility wise yes, and night driving is good if it's not raining, but rain के साथ थोड़ा ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है.
Challenging हो गया था.
So other than that, yeah, it was all sorted. It was fun.
And our dogs also made it and they are already sleeping.
Yeah.
हम लोग थक चुके हैं. अच्छा, Rocky
Rocky
is
behind, yeah,
roaming
he's exploring
around.
something.
He will not sleep until we sleep. So yes, this was all about the Kerala road trip of what, 4,700
kilometers.
4,700 kilometers. This is the this is the longest road trip we both have done together, and it was crazy. Hop onto our playlist, road series, and you will
Couple Traveler.
Yes.
Do subscribe if you haven't. Do subscribe. Do support us. There's a lot of hard work that is going behind this. So if you keep supporting us, we can make more videos like this. Do give us your feedback. आपको क्या लगता है? Do comment down. We'll reply to all the comments.
Yes, and we have made a playlist of road series. You can find all the videos under that. So do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And subscribe to our channel. Keep supporting.
Thank you.